In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element in the Wix editor, ensuring it stays in a fixed position as visitors scroll through your site. This feature can significantly improve the user experience and keep important elements like buttons or social media bars constantly in view. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you need to first select the element you wish to pin. This could be anything available on your web page, such as an image, a text box, a button, a social media bar, or even a group of elements that you want to stay fixed on the screen. Simply click on the element in the Wix editor, and it'll be highlighted, indicating that it's ready for the next steps. Now that you've chosen your element, you'll need to access the pinning options to proceed. The method to do this is straightforward. Just right-click on the selected element. Doing this will bring up a contextual menu that provides various options for the element you're working with. From this contextual menu, you'd want to locate and select the Pin to Screen option. This is your gateway to keeping your element fixed on the user's screen, no matter how far they scroll down the page. Once you've selected Pin to Screen, a settings panel specifically for pinning will appear. This panel is crucial as it allows you to define the exact position where you would like your element to be pinned on the screen. You're provided with several predefined grid positions to choose from, like the top left corner, the top center, or perhaps the bottom right corner, according to where you'd like the element to be most visible and accessible. After you've picked a position, you can further refine its placement with precision. This is where the horizontal offset and vertical offset sliders come in handy. These sliders allow you to adjust your element's position incrementally, giving you the ability to fine-tune exactly where you'd like it to appear, relative to the pinned location. If you prefer numeric input, you have the option to type in specific pixel values, which can be particularly useful if you're working with a detailed design or have specific alignment requirements. Once you've set the element's position to your satisfaction, all that's left to do is confirm it. Closing the settings panel will save your adjustments, and just like that, your element is now pinned. This means it will stay in that fixed position even as visitors continue to scroll through your site, maintaining its visibility and accessibility. With this feature, you ensure that your web page components are more user-friendly and consistently available, adding to the overall engagement and experience of your site visitors.